Hey everybody, it's time for a video. Haven't done one of these in forever. I thought when I started a YouTube channel, I was like, for sure, I'm gonna do these more often. Not really. Not really my thing, I guess. But since we're all quarantined and kind of bored, I thought it would be really fun to do one of those makeup tutorials, but where your dad does your voiceover. I've seen some of these before and they're really hilarious, and I feel like my dad's the funniest dad ever. So let's get started. I'm gonna do my makeup and then my dad will kind of give you guys instructions on how to create that look. Okay, bye.
Well, see what we're doing today. Just pull that right off. Spray that bronzer on that right hand. If it's the left hand, from where you're sitting, it's all right. It's just the offset from the video. And you squirt this little egg like this right here, and then you touch it on your left cheek. Those of you looking at it, you might think it's your right cheek, but now that's your right cheek. Now that's your left cheek. And you go real fast like this, and you just okay. Now we're gonna pull the cream down. Yeah. You do it like this. Just wisp it on like this. Just wisp it all around, everywhere.
Real good. Just wisp it, honey. Just wisp it.
That's some butter bronzer. Oh, this is some of my favorite. It smells so good. Praise the Lord. Just wisp it around. Ooh, just wisp that on top of that other stuff you had on there a while ago.
Just put yourself in it. Yeah, just go all around. Charlene, you want to add anything?
Yeah, I'd like to say this is real beautiful. And I like to look at it while I'm doing it on the left side, the right side, left side.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah, just put it on here. And you, never mind them lines, that was the sunshine coming through the blinds. Oh, and you just work it on there like that. She got this thing going so fast I can... Okay then, alright, you get this beautiful, it looks like a bearing from a pulley. But it's not, it's really... You just put it on here like this. Yeah, see? And you just put it on the right eye, not your left eye, your right eye. There you go. Now you take this little pencil right here, just right here, and you go boop.
Just under like that right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and you look glamorously into the camera.
Here's the other little thing right there. You put it right. Ooh, that feels so good on my eye. Oh, it's just lightening it up. Just lightening it up. Making it beautiful.
Oh my, just swag it on there like that. Just swag it. Now you take this and you just do a little bit like that. Just go Look in the camera. Go
Yeah, now. Just brush it away. Brush all your cares away. Now you got that Laura powder put on there. Just put it on them brows. Put it on them brows. That's right.
Oh, you just spray some of this spritzer in there, mix it up, kind of mud it up a little bit.
Now you got that You're So Jelly. Oh, it looks so creamy. Just take it with your left forefinger like that.
Ooh, just put it like that. Just put it up there, just like little pixels on your face.
Getting ready to go do something. You know what they say.
Oh, yeah, make it look beautiful.
Okay, oh, we about out of that. We got to mix some spritz with that, make a little more mud. Yeah, just keep layering it on, just lacquering it on there, just sheeting it up there, just sheeting it all over your face.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Now don't get this in your mouth, it's liable to kill you.
You got to be real careful. Don't scratch your eyeball. You don't want to poke no nerves in your to affect your Abdullah Amblangata back there with your eye, okay? All right.
Just careful. Whisk it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just whisk it a little bit on that right eye. Now, we're going to use this little thing right here. This little teaser thing here. Just poop, 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 poop. feels so nice. Oh, it's making me look, getting all the borders. It's like coloring inside the lines. It makes it look elf. It makes you look like a little elf. That's right. Ooh, now we're gonna take some of this light stuff and just thicken it in like this. On the left eye, not the right eye. Oh, just pay attention to it. Now you go on the right eye, but I'm going a little bit more faster there on this side. Well, what are we gonna do now? All right, okay. Put a little bit of this bandy on there.
Just lacquer up those lashes. Just lengthen them. Just thicken them up like that. Then bud the bottom here real good. Then lacquer up the right eye. Just lacquer it up. Lengthen it up. Put all the color you can on. And just lacquer up. Lush up that bottom one there. Now, see there? Oh, that's beautiful. Well, oh yeah, we're getting right now.
Yeah. Okay. Just. Yep, that's Mildred. Get that Mildred stick on it. Glossing it up right there real good. Just glossing it a little bit more. All right, we're gonna put some of this glossy. Oh, we just gonna gloss a little bit more.
Hey, all right. Hey, I look so good. Oh, I look so good. I feel so good. I think I'm gonna go get me some breakfast now. Bye.